Happy holidays, socialites. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this holiday season as much as I am, and hopefully you're not as busy as I am this holiday season. Let's go ahead and unlock the last few days of our Revolve Beauty Advent calendar. I have been doing AJ's. In case you guys hadn't seen the last vlog, AJ is turning 13 and she's having a big party. It's a cinema theme, and y'all, it's taking up all my Vlogmas time with my girls. But I hadn't forgot about you guys, so we're gonna do something quick. We're gonna talk about the my top five favorite fragrances of 2024. So we're gonna do 23. Let's see what we got. Dr. Barbara Sturm. I've never tried these products before. I got some of her products in the last year's advent calendar, but I never tried it. It's a hyaluronic serum. So we're gonna go ahead and add this to the giveaway. And day 23 also has a Dr. Barbara Sturm face cream. So we're gonna add this to the giveaway too. And then we have 24. Ooh, they saved the best for last. So the last one is from Summer Fridays. It's the Heavenly 16 all-in-one face oil. So let me know if any of you have tried this one from Summer Fridays. And this is what it looks like. So it's in a dropper form. So we're gonna add this one to the giveaway as well. So that's it for the Revolve Beauty Advent calendar for 2024. This was actually a really good one. So I may look into actually getting this again next year. I really did like it. Sephora had a pretty decent one last year as well. We might do two next year. So we finished it, y'all. The last couple years, I really do feel like brands have stepped up their game so much when it comes to these body mists and body sprays. A lot of them can actually be used in the hair as well. They're hair and body mist. I don't ever put them in my hair, but I know a lot of people who do, especially those who wear like wigs or like weaves and stuff like that, because you know how the elements can be on that sometimes. And I like when I smell scents in people's hair. I just don't really have enough hair to do that, to be honest. But this year in particular, there have been some really good ones. I got so many. I got probably over 15 body mists this year. I think all of them from Fleur, a lot of them from Bath and Body Works. I got one from Nest, but these are my top five. And so they're not really in any order, but these are like the best ones that I got, in my opinion, that I kind of vibed with the most. Let's start off with, and I've actually been wearing this one this month. This is from Finery. This year they launched, I want to say like 4 or 5 new scents, and this is the new Rouge from Finery. And it is sort of like inspired by Baccarat Rouge 540. It sort of has that DNA. It smells a lot like a lighter version of it. It's a little sweeter and a little softer, which I do like, but I layer this on top of Baccarat Rouge. I do have the X straight version of it, and I do wear it by itself as well. I like to layer it with vanilla body creams too, but this one's pretty good. It doesn't last super long, but it does smell good, in my opinion. Moving on to, this one is Bath and Body Works Getaway Soiree. They came out with these kind of like inspired by scents not too long ago. I want to say like the middle of this year possibly, and it was a lot of them. I want to say like 6 to 9 of them, and they're inspired by designer fragrances that are really popular. And there were a few of them that I really liked, but 2 of them are on the list. So Getaway Soiree is inspired by Tom Ford's Soleil Blanc, which is one of my top favorite perfumes. I love that perfume. It smells sort of coconutty and beach-like, just like something you will want to wear on vacation, sort of sunscreeny, but like a really expensive type sunscreen. They did a good job on this one. It doesn't smell cheap at all. If you layer this with like a baby oil gel or something like that, you can get decent longevity out of it. Spray it on your clothes and you'll get a good wear out of it for sure. But I think one of my fragrance trays in 2025 is just going to be body mist. Because I have so many perfumes, I don't give my body sprays as much love as I would like to, because I always pull for a perfume instead. I use them more so to layer with, but I really do want to do like a monthly fragrance tray with just body mist so I can use them up for like a whole month. But this one smells so, so good. It was one of the standouts from that collection in my opinion. And so next we have the second one that's on the list from Bath & Body Works from that same collection. This one's inspired by Delina from Parfums de Marly. It's called Covered in Roses. This one is probably the best one out of that collection. I feel like a lot of people love it. Now, I did hear that they were discontinuing this line but keeping Covered in Roses, and I can see why, because it's so good. You have to be a floral lover though. So this one is very feminine, floral, smells really classy and elevated and elegant. Bath & Body Works has really turned a whole new page when it comes to their scents. It smells super high end. Definitely smells a lot more expensive than what it is. And I did pick it up during the $4.95 sale, I want to say. So I was really winning. Y'all, this smells so good. It smells a lot like the actual perfume. Oh my goodness. If you thought that Delina, that rhubarb note in Delina was too sharp or like just too tart, you may like this because it doesn't have like that sharp opening that the OG Delina has, but it smells almost just like, smells so good. I love this one. I need to try layering this with Delina Exclusive because I do have like a scent box or scent bird Delina, but not a full bottle of it. I do have a full bottle of Exclusive, which is like my number one of my favorite perfumes, and so I should try layering it, but this smells really good, y'all. Moving on to Love Shack Fancy. They launched 4 fragrance mists this year, and it wasn't too long ago. Like I want to say they came out like a month or 2 ago. And during one of the last Sephora sales, it might have been the cyber sale, I wanted to pick up a new fragrance and I saw these had came out and they were in Sephora. Now I smelled all 4 and all 4 actually smelled so good, but I had to control myself and only pick one. And for me, this was the best one out of the 4. This is Love Shack Fancy's Sugar Blush. Packaging is really cute in Love Shack Fancy's signature, just dainty floral motif that if you're familiar with Love Shack Fancy, they did a collaboration this year with Stanley and they had some really cute floral cups if you're into Stanley cups. But this one has notes of passion fruit, pink rose, and pink sugar. On the back of it, it actually has a cake on there. And it just smells very like cake-like, vanilla-like, but like berry-like as well. It smells so good, y'all. If you didn't like those, Kayali fragrances, the pink ones that came out, the Yum Bougie and all of those, if you didn't like those, you should try these out. When I tell you like a cake like vanilla, but think about strawberries and different type of fruits mixed in. Oh, it has a presence to it. The cake scent in here is just so yummy. You could almost smell the icing and the warm cake and then berries and everything else. It smells so good. I think I want to get the yellow one next. Oh my gosh, AJ wants a sample of it, so I'm gonna do her little decant of this, but it smells so nice. So the last one, oh, I didn't realize the last one is from Bath & Body Works as well. This Bath & Body Works outdid themselves with this one. This one's platinum, and I feel like a lot of people are talking about it. It smells like an actual perfume. Now they have platinum in a perfume from Bath & Body Works, but this is the fragrance mist. It has notes of sparkling bergamot, silver blooms, and patchouli musk. Very perfume-like, very feminine. Oh. You know, it kind of reminds me of, it smells sort of familiar, but I can't really put my hand on what it smells like, but it just smells so good. If you haven't smelled it yet, you should go to Bath & Body Works and check it out. I originally bought like you know how their fragrance mist comes in the small sizes. I started off with one of those because I had a coupon and used the whole thing up. It smells so good. And so next time they had a sale, I bought the full size one. I bought a couple of them because I don't know if they're going to keep it or not, but they really should because it smells incredible. Smells so good. I'm not sure what I would layer this one with. It really doesn't need anything. I know for a fact it would probably be good with Donna Born and Roma. For some reason, Donna Born and Roma smells so good with so many different fragrances. You'd be surprised, but yeah, this one is really good. If I was to pick a top 2, it would be tough. I would say top 3 would be Platinum, the Love Shack Fancy, Sugar Blush, and Covered in Roses. I can't really pick which one is better because I like them all so much. So comment down below, let me know what was your favorite body mist or body spray from 2024. And since we only have a few more days left in 2024, let's do another giveaway, you guys. I want to pick as many of you guys as I can before the year is up. So I do have a full-size Platinum and the body mist, and a full size of the Platinum body cream, and also a Platinum perfume spray, because like I said, it comes in a perfume as well. So just drop a heart emoji in the comments if you want to enter the giveaway. I'm gonna try not to drag on this and go ahead and just pick a winner tomorrow. So heart emoji in the comments, and I'll post in the community tab the winner. If you're new here, welcome. I'd love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars.